Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Combing is a critical, high-precision, and costly process in yarn manufacturing that removes short fibers, impurities, and neps from carded sliver using specialized machinery. Before combing, the material, sliver, undergoes preparatory processes to straighten fibers, reverse flow, and produce a flat, uniform lap. The lap is fed by the feed roller. The nipper holds the fiber tuft. A revolving cylinder with needles, half lap, removes short fibers and impurities. A stationary top comb combs the trailing end of the fiber tuft. The comb tuft is detached, and the new tip is joined, pieced, with the previously combed returning web. The web is converted back into a sliver and coiled into a can. Backward motion of combing machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.